तो आप देख रहे हो यूसीसी चैंपियंस कप के सबसे मोस्ट अवेटेड ये शेड्यूल, जहां पर फीमेल क्रिकेटर्स यानी कि वुमेन क्रिकेटर्स को आप खेलते हुए देखने वाले हो। तो वही मैच यहाँ पर जारी है। अब गेंदबाजी के लिए नीपा को आप देख रहे हो, और बैटिंग एंड पर थी जेनिफर, और उसके साथ जो ये जोड़ी मैदान के बीच अपनी टीम के लिए यहाँ काम करती हुई। दोनों ही टीम्स आज यूसीसी 2.0 में आई है अपना खेल, सबसे बढ़िया खेल दिखाने के लिए। लेकिन अब देखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी रहेगा कि इन दोनों टीम्स में से कौन सी ऐसी टीम रहेगी जो इस मैच को अपने नाम पर करेगी। अब नहीं या गेंदबाज देखना बहुत ही दिलचस्प रहेगा कि कौन सी गेंदबाज को अब इनवाइट करेंगे बॉलिंग मार्क पर, क्योंकि अगर बात करें स्कोर की तो अब तक स्कोर 20 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। और थोड़ा सा हमें स्पीड अप भी करना होगा, जिस तरीके का यहाँ पर आज का स्केड्यूल है, बहुत ही लंबा स्केड्यूल है, और उसी के साथ आज के दिन में हमें 25 मैचेस भी कंप्लीट करनी है। परवीन इज अ न्यू बॉलर एंड शी स्टार्ट्स विद द वाइड डाउन द लेग। That's a good stroke, but into the vacant area, and will only get a single, and that's it. So the strike now back to Jennifer, who has already played 7 balls and has scored 4 runs. Joe Fernandez scored 9 runs out of 5 deliveries, and we can see that Parveen is on the bowling mark, and that's a good stroke now. A slight misfielding, and that results into one single run. That's another good hit, but there was a fielder set up. And the score now moves to 24 for the loss of 1. Now that ball was a lovely ball, and they were appealing for a wicket, but the wicket isn't fulfilled because it's a wide delivery. Another good hit into the vacant area, created that room, and scored another single for the team Thunder Strikers. Stepping down the ground, and that strikes the umpire standing in the middle, and or else it would result in something else, but now it's just a single run. Parveen has shelled out 7 runs out of her 5 balls currently. Stepping down the ground, what a lovely hit, and that goes out of the park for 6 huge and handsome runs. And after the 6th, now the score moves on to 33 after the completion of over number 3 for the loss of 1 wicket. Yet again, went on the back foot, wanted to create some room for her, but all she could manage is another dot ball. A new bowler on the bowling mark is Mansi, and we can see how Mansi looks like a complete cricketer, and now the umpires indulging into a conversation. Let's try and get back to the live action as soon as possible. देख रहे हो UCC 2.0, जहां पर आज के दिन में हमें कुछ मुकाबले वुमेन क्रिकेट के भी देखने मिलेंगे, और उसी के चलते हुए ये भी मुकाबला जो टर्फ नंबर 1 पर आप देख रहे हो. नाउ द न्यू बॉलर इज मानसी, known for her excellency in bowling and for creating wickets and opportunities for her team so that they win. Now Mansi on the bowling mark. Very first ball for Mansi. Call as a no ball, run out chance here, and yes, Joe has to depart. That's the first wicket of Mansi's over. Either it was, even if it was a no ball, the batswoman wanted to take a run, but now in that attempt, she has to depart. Mansi ready for the next ball. This time it's a full toss, but fielded properly. No chance for any big hit, as Ravita was perfectly placed there for this shot. Yet again went onto the back foot, made some room, wanted to clear the ball for a huge and handsome sixer, but all she could manage is to create one run for her team. The score moves on to 38 for the loss of 3. That's another good hit on the side nets, but just one run completed. Score now moves on to 39 for 3. That's another good ball. It was also played perfectly, and that results in another single over here. Now the score moves on to 40. That's a man cut over here. Now shortly the umpire tells the bowler that it's not allowed in this tournament. That was a lovely, huge and handsome sixer over the fielders, and after this stroke we come to the end of over number 5, and after the over number 5 Aryans have made 46 in the 30 balls, and now let's see what happens when we get back for the second inning of this match. Till then, stay tuned with us. Now we start with the inning number 2, where the target is of 46 and 47 runs are needed to win this match. You can see this entire match live on Force One Live YouTube channel. And Parveen and Mansi are the two, Parveen and Nipa, beg your pardon. These are the two batswomen on the field currently. Sheetal is the bowler who will start the proceedings for Aryans. Very first ball, stepping down the ground. And let's see what the umpires feel about this stroke. So that's another stepping down the ground. As we could see, the models are high now, but that's a no ball, and there would be a free hit chance on this ball. That's another good stroke, stepping down the ground, wanted to hike it over the fielders, but all she could manage to just gather one single run for her team, and that's how the score now moves on to 2 for the loss of no wicket. Now Nipa for the first time comes onto the batting mark. What a lovely spin, turn, bounce, everything perfect on this delivery. This time she connects, and she connects well, and one more run added to the team's total. She wanted to connect this for a 6, but this time the umpires signal that it's a no ball, and this would be a free hit. And Nipa on the batting end. Let's see what she does. That's a huge and handsome big hit down the ground from the bat of Nipa. What a lovely stroke. This time they have ran for a run, and they've completed it. So after the completion of over number 1, the score is now at 12 for the loss of no wickets. Parveen and Nipa doing the job for their team. And let's see what happens in the next 4 overs of this match. They have made 12 runs now for loss of no wicket. Now we start with the next over, where Sanika has been invited on the bowling mark. That's a no ball now. Now that's a free hit, and she connects this time. They have ran for a single run, and they complete it. And now the score Moves on to 14. That's another great hit, but only manages to go into a zone where they could not get any more runs than a single. Coming onto the back foot, that's a good hit, but she's been caught on the boundary line. And now team's captain Ravita enters the field. Let's see what she manages to do for her team in this first match on turf number 1 for women's. Now the very first ball faced by Ravita, middles it and sends it towards the boundary line, but this time just a single completed. Let's get back to the live action once again, where the bowler Sanika is doing a great job for her team. Has only got away with 4 runs, but that's a no ball again. That's a no ball again, and that would be a chance for the batswomen to score big runs for their team. Stepping down the ground, there's a chance, and this time it was a free hit, and the batswoman survives. And after the completion of over number 2, the score is still at 19, and we yet have to complete the over number 2. That's another no ball, and that's a free hit now. What a lovely hit down the ground, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. A boundary, UCC powered boundary from the bat of Ravita. It's a lovely 4 down the ground. Now we head towards the over number 3, where the new bowler Gauri is on the bowling mark. First run has been completed of this over. Now that drips down the leg side, and that's another white ball. Stepping down the ground, wanted to hit it for a huge sixer, but just 1 run concluded. One more run completed. The score moves on to 28. Oh, that's a lovely delivery. Ravitha was completely puzzled over here. No chance of any big hit. That's another great hit down the ground, but just a single. Score now at 29 for the loss of one wicket. Now that's another no ball, and it's a lengthy over by Gauri. That's a good hit, but only a single because you were playing turf cricket, and as I'm mentioning from yesterday itself, turf cricket needs calculative cricketing strokes, and if you miss to do that, you will just get one single. Now here we start with the over number 4. She makes some room, goes onto the back foot and tries to hit it over the fielders, but not a good connection. Now that's a no ball. No, that's a dead ball. Another single completed here. That's a great hit down the ground from Vada Pravitha, and now that's another boundary down the ground for 4 runs. Oh, that's a wide ball down the leg. Score now moves on to 38. Another run completed, and now the score 39. And now Parveen back to the pavilion in an attempt to increase the score. Parveen loses her wicket. Now they need another 7 runs in the last 17 deliveries. Last ball of this over is yet to be delivered. Dot ball. Now here comes the dot ball. चलिए बढ़ते हैं अभी आखिरी ओवर की ओर, जहां पर अब 6 गेंदों में 7 रनों की दरकार रहेगी। एक तरफ रविता है तो उसके साथ देने के लिए अनामिका, और गेंदबाजी के लिए जेनिफर। पहली ही गेंद डाउन द लेग, व्हाइट बॉल का इशारा, यानी कि अब 6 में 6 की जरूरत होगी। इस बार स्ट्राइक चेंज करने का प्रयास, एक और रन अब ऐड हो जाएगा। 5 में 5 की जरूरत। बैकफुट पर आकर इस मैच को खत्म कर दिया है और जीत लिया गया है थंडर स्ट्राइकर्स की ओर से। वेरी वेल प्लेड थंडर स्ट्राइकर्स एंड हार्ड लक टीम आर्यन।